Friends, every great accomplishment, every incredible journey begins with a single, often small step. Just like a tiny seed holds the potential for a mighty tree, your dreams, no matter how big, start with that first courageous step. Never underestimate the power of small beginnings. It's easy to get overwhelmed, to look at the mountain ahead and feel small. But remember, you don't have to climb the whole mountain today. Take that first step, then another, and another. Each step is a victory, a testament to your commitment. You have a dream in your heart, a vision for a brighter tomorrow. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Embrace the power of small beginnings, for within them lies the potential for extraordinary things. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and take that first step today. The Bible tells us about the power of faith, the size of a mustard seed. This tiny seed, though small, grows into a large plant, providing shelter and shade. Your dreams are like that mustard seed. They may seem insignificant now, but with faith and dedication, they can flourish into something extraordinary. Remember the story of David and Goliath? David, a young shepherd, faced a giant with courage and faith. He didn't focus on Goliath's size but on God's power. He took that first step, that first stone, and the rest is history. Just like David, you too can overcome giants in your life. Trust in God's plan, have faith in yourself, and take that first step. You may be surprised by the strength you discover within. So how do we nurture these small beginnings, these seeds of greatness within us? It starts with consistency. Just as a plant needs regular watering and sunlight to thrive, your dreams need consistent effort and focus. Set realistic goals. Break down your big dreams into smaller, achievable steps. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your desired outcome. Remember, consistency is key. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. They are opportunities to learn and grow. Section 4. From tiny steps to giant leaps. Think about the Wright brothers. They dreamed of flying, a seemingly impossible feat at the time. But they started small, experimenting with kites and gliders, learning from their failures and never giving up. Their persistence, their commitment to those small steps led to a giant leap for mankind. They dared to dream big and then took those small, consistent steps to turn their dream into reality. You too can achieve greatness by embracing the power of small beginnings. Don't be afraid to start small. Every journey, no matter how grand, begins with a single step. Believe in your dreams, nurture them with consistency, and watch them soar. Section 5. Embrace the journey. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It's not always easy. There will be challenges, obstacles, even moments of doubt. But embrace the journey, friends. Find joy in the small victories, the lessons learned, the progress made. It's not about how fast you go, but about moving forward one step at a time. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Section 6. Celebrating milestones, big and small. Every step you take towards your goals is a victory worth celebrating. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Did you take that first step to learn a new skill? Did you overcome a fear today? Celebrate it. When you celebrate your small victories, you fuel your motivation and build momentum. You create a positive feedback loop that propels you forward on your journey. Remember, every accomplishment, big or small, deserves to be acknowledged and celebrated. Section 7. Your time to bloom. Friends, it is your time to bloom. Embrace the power of small beginnings. Start where you are, with what you have. Take that first step and then another and another. Trust in God's plan, have faith in yourself, and watch your dreams unfold. The world is waiting for your unique gifts and talents. Don't hold back. Step into your greatness, one small step at a time. You are capable of amazing things.